toolbox. Looking pretty rough. But it is a Kennedy, so maybe we'll see if we can give it another life here. I'm guessing you probably want to see the inside before we get too far here. Equally rough, I'd say. There's a label. Well, here it is after a wire brush and a bath. Looking a little better, but not much. Well, I guess next we'll straighten up some of the bent sheet metal on this thing and carry on. Is it worth the effort? Definitely not. Well, got it straightened out a bit, looking a bit better. Cut the worst of the bottom out, to say all of it. Added some holes to help locate the new bottom. That's where we're at. Well, I found a couple of chunks of lumber in the scrap pile here. This is a bit of lawan, I think they call it. It's an African mahogany, and it's commonly used for door jambs, and that's what this is. Of course, I've got an ongoing. That's the same as never ending for other people who are involved in a renovation. So yeah, an ongoing renovation leaves me with this piece of lawan, and I'm thinking of using it on the toolbox for the bottom perhaps. So yeah, I've also got a piece of western red cedar that came out of a window, and yeah, I think I can get enough out of that to use for the toolbox as well. So we'll see. Here's what we ended up with. Old Kennedy box, got a new bottom in it. See, I've put the lawan in the bottom on the inside, and that piece of cedar ended up on the outside. And yeah, I think we got a serviceable toolbox here. To get the piece on the inside, I did have to do it in two sections. I had to split it down the middle, put it in there. That would depend on the box design, but had to do it for this one. And I have slopped some used engine oil all over the wood. So that's what we got. Old Kennedy toolbox.